Good morning and welcome you all, my dear students. In the first part of the video, the red trap, I have already explained you about the red trap sailor. Red trap sailor was a poor vagabond. He was a tramp, homeless wanderer who used to sail red trap place to place, but his business was not profitable. He was leading cheerless existence. His life was sad and monotonous. He had no home, no shelter. So an brilliant idea came into his mind that this world is nothing but a big rat trap. All beautiful things, attraction, riches, it means money, food, joys, clothes, lands, they are nothing but a big rat trap. And he had not very good opinion about the world and its people. Wherever he went, he had been chased away. He found only unpleasant and sore faces. No one welcomed him. So he was wondering. One day, one dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he saw a grey cottage on the roadside. He knocked at the door, and the owner of the cottage was an old person. He was very generous. He was living all alone. He was a lonely person without his wife and children. He wanted company, so he gave him shelter. This shows weakness of human beings, that we can't live all alone. We need someone to share our feelings. And he entertained his guest by offering hot porridge, supper, big slice from his tobacco roll to smoke, and he gave him company. Both played majolus. उसने क्या किया, उसको कंपनी भी दी और अपने गेस्ट को पॉरिस, हॉट पॉरिस, tobacco roll, and both played majolus. This is a kind of game which is played with the pack of cards. Old man was just as generous with this confidence. So the owner of the cottage was very generous, kind-hearted person. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, he had been वर्किंग एट रामसो आयरन वर्क. ओल्ड पर्सन ने बताया कि वो रामसो आयरन वर्क में काम करता था. नाउ दैट ही वॉज नो लॉन्गर एबल टू डू डे लेबर. अब इतनी लेबर नहीं कर पाता है. एंड नाउ हिज काउ सपोर्टेड हिम. उसने कहा उसकी काउ जो है उसको सपोर्ट करती है, विच इज़ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. एंड ही कॉल्ड हर बॉसी. उसको वो बॉसी कह के बुलाता है. नॉट ओनली दिस, द क्रॉफ्टर शोड हिम पेमेंट द प्रीवियस मंथ. ही शोड 30 kroners एज पेमेंट ही रिसीव्ड द प्रीवियस मंथ. उसने कहा कि पिछले महीने मुझे 30 kroner मिला है. क्रोनर दैट इज़ करेंसी ऑफ स्वीडन. फिर उसको लगता है कि